Downloading all your Google Drive files at once is quick and simple. Let me guide you through the process. First, open a web browser on any device and go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account that contains the Drive files you want to download. Next, navigate to the Data and Privacy tab and scroll down to the Data from Apps and Services section. Tap the arrow to expand it, then find Google Drive and select the Download option. This will take you to Google Takeout, where Google Drive will already be selected. Click Next, then choose your preferred delivery method, via email, Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. You can also select the file format zip and set a file size limit for splitting large downloads. Finally, click Create Export, and once it's ready, you'll be able to download your files to your computer or another device.